guys, welcome. So today we're going to continue with whole numbers and we're going to be doing operations on a number line. So let's see what we will be covering in this lesson. So we will be doing addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So let's begin. So before we go into operations, I hope all of you are familiar with the definition of whole number, how to draw number line, and how to mark numbers and fractions. That's it you need to know. And since you're in grade 8, all of you will be knowing all those basics. So let's see addition, subtraction. So let's start this with a question. So I'm going to take the first question here on the left hand side. 4 plus 5. So here all of us know 4 plus 5 is equal to question mark is 9. Very simple. But here our focus is number line and not just addition. So that's exactly what we're going to do. So it's very important to first draw your number line. So since it's whole numbers, we're going to be doing starting from 0. And at the end, you might see an arrow. Arrow means the number line can go on till infinity. Okay, so it's impossible to write all the numbers. And it's in this situation, it's not required. Okay, so here what I'm going to do is you can mark all the numbers, but I'm just going to do it alternative. So 0, 1, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, because otherwise it looks very crowded. So you can write numbers, all numbers, but it doesn't matter. So here I have 2 steps for you. Number 1, look at the first number. In this question, 4 is your first number. So that's why you're going to start from the number line. So let's mark. This is our starting point. In a race, how we have start and final. So our starting point is 4. Now over here, what does 5 mean? Okay, 5 means 5 jumps. And I'll tell you in this case what a jump is. One number to the other means one jump. So here I need 5 jumps. Yeah, so we finished 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 8, after 8 comes 9. Now we know 4 plus 5 is 9. Did we show it on a number line? Yes. That's it. That's how you do addition. You just do jumps and it's very fun, isn't it? So we're gonna take another example. So you guys can try at home 2 plus 6, 3 plus 5 and 1 plus 6 using the number line. I'm going to take one more example. So most of you would have understood. I'm confident enough. But for those who didn't understand, I'm taking another example. So just remember, I'm going to do another question. I'm going to do 1 plus 2. Okay, so what is 1 plus 2? 3, right? But our focus here is number line. Okay, so the first number you're going to look, and what is it? Number 1. Okay, and 2 means the number of jumps. What does one jump? So this is one jump and this is your other jump. So it landed finally on 3. Okay, so 3 is your final answer. Now there's one trick. If you want to check if you know the jumps and your final answer is right on the number line, just do basic addition and check. Here if I directly went for number line and if I'm confused, am I right? Just do basic addition. So here 1 plus 2 is 3. My final answer on the number line is 3. That's how you confirm it. So similarly, we're going to be doing for subtraction. So if you see, when you go towards the right on a number line, the numbers increase in value. But if you go towards the left, it decreases in value. So in addition, you're adding numbers. So the final answer is a big number. And it's like bigger than the individual digits. But in subtraction, the final answer reduces, right? So here, instead of going to the right for jumping, you're going to go to the left. That's the only difference. Okay, so I'm going to take here 8 minus 3. So as you see, I'm going to skip, but I didn't skip here. It's fine. So 4, 6, and 8. Okay. So again, our question is 8 minus 3. Starting number is 8. Now instead of going or instead of jumping to the right, I'm going to jump to the left. Why? Because it's subtraction. Okay, so I'm going to go 1 jump, 2 jump, and 3 jump. So what is this? I haven't marked here, but here comes the number 5. Is 8 minus 3 5? Yes. Did we show it on a number line? Yes. So that's it for addition and subtraction. Now we're going to go for multiplication and division. Now there's a slight variation. You can't apply the same thing I told, like the first starting number will be the starting point in the number line, and you have to do 1 jump at a time. That's not how it works for multiplication and division. So just slight variations in those rules. So let's take 4 into 2 question. Okay. So again, I'm not going to write all numbers. Why do we start again with a 0? Because we're doing number line on for whole numbers. So 2, you have 4, you have 6. I'm going to mark 8. So this is actually a 6 and not a 8. So here, our first step is going to be, it always starts from 0. When we talk about multiplication, it's 0. So here our question is 4 into 2. Yeah. So you're going to, this first number means in 1 jump, how many numbers you're supposed to cover. So in 1 jump, 4 numbers. Your second digit over here, which is 2, it means the number of jumps. So here, 4 means in 1 jump, how many numbers should I cover? 4. So from 0, we're going to start. For all multiplication, we're going to start with 0. So I need 2 jumps in total. So where do I end up with 8? 4 into 2 is 8. Again, I repeat, there is a slight variation for multiplication and division. So in multiplication, your first number is going to be in 1 jump, how many numbers you're supposed to cover. And your second will be how many total jumps you're supposed to take. And always your starting point is 0 for multiplication and division. Now, you guys can try 3 into 3 and 2 into 6. I'm pretty sure all of you would have got it. So now, like division is going to be only instead of towards the right, now towards the left. So how we saw in addition and subtraction, addition was towards the right, whereas subtraction was towards the left. Multiplication again is towards the right, but division towards the right. So I'm going to take 4 divided by 2. Okay, so I'm going to mark 0, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so 4 divided by 2. Now again, there's again a slight variation. So you're not going to start from 0 like multiplication, because it won't work that way. So here your starting point is 4. And we know 4 divided by 2 is 2. Okay. So as you see, okay, so I made a mistake here. Okay, so here again, it's different. We're going to find out how many jumps is there in total, and that will be a final answer. So from 4, here we have 2. So we're going to skip in 1 jump 2, and then another jump 2. So we reach the final point or 0. There's nothing over on the left hand side. So here, if you count the number of jumps, you have 1 and you have 2. So is 4 divided by 2 2? Yes. So let's take another example, and yeah. So let's take probably 6 divided by 2. So let's start. So you have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so the question is 6 divided by 2. So 6 is going to be your starting point, and 2 will tell you in one jump how many numbers you're supposed to skip. So 6 is your starting point, 2. So 2 numbers in one jump. So 1 jump, 2 jump, and the third jump. I don't have anything here, or yeah, I don't have anything towards the left side. So I'm going to count the number of jumps. So 1, 2, and 3. The total number of jumps is my final answer, which is 3. So that's it for today, and thank you for watching this video. I hope you understood operation on a number line, and I hope this video has helped you. Thank you. Bye.